Welcome back to the channel. Such a beautiful day today. As you can see, the car is nice and clean. Those two boxes on the top are the most neglected part on a BMW, in my opinion. Here you can check out the car on the side, the back. Check out those carbon fiber exhaust tip. Check out my video for the install on those parts. Mags are nice and clean, no brake dust on them thanks to PowerStop Z26 Street Warrior kit. Check that video too if you want. So now, let's go to the unboxing. I bought them at Amazon. I'll put down the links on the description below if you want to buy them. Here are the parts that I'm talking about that's been neglected on the BMW. These are the jack pad, I have to check them one by one just to make sure there's no damage on them. This one looks good. This one also looks good. Okay, they all look good. Okay, now we're gonna do the installation. This one is not too bad. Just a little bit of damage on them. You need to use the pry tool to pop them out. I'm putting a new one. There's a second one. This one too is not too bad, but it's still, you see, it's worn out. That's better. This one looks terrible. You see a big piece of chunk missing on it. What a total neglect from the previous owner of this car. That's better. For the last one, This one too is worse. Big piece on the side is missing. See, this is what happens when you bring your car to the garage. The mechanic, they don't care. They just jack up your car without using a jack pad. That's better. Now we're gonna see if they perform really well. See, now you put a jack pad on your jack. And this is how you properly jack up your car without damaging the body of your car. It looks good. By the way guys, in the next video I'm gonna show you how to make an intake for your BMW for $60. Leave a comment below if you want to see that video. Please smash the like button and thank you. I'll see you on the next one.